Now inside of our classes folder, if we create a new file, call it autoloader.php, and inside of this file we are going to define a new class autoloader. Inside of this class we're going to have just one method called public static function load, and we're going to be passing one parameter, which is class name by default equals null. Inside of this method we're going to start with the class equals string underscore replace, and we're going to be first replacing backslashes. This specific autoloader will handle both namespaces and a standard underscore approach for the class naming. Namespaces, I will create a series pretty soon on how to use namespaces, which have been introduced in PHP 5.3. So you will understand a little bit more about this. But for the time being, I'm just going to basically create this load method, and we will deal with this in the next series. ds, then ltrim. We want to remove the backslash from the name of this specific class name. So if we copy the class name, and again we want to remove any backslashes that we may have right on the left hand side of this class name. Then if I copy this entire line, I also want to replace any underscores with the directory separator, so that basically either backslash or underscore is going to be replaced with the / on Linux and Mac and backslash on Windows. Then at the end of this one, actually we don't need to do this ltrim here. We can simply put the class variable, because we've already replaced this one here, this backslashes, so it's just underscores that we need to replace with this previous variable. And then we need to attach the .php extension. So now we check if 0 triple equals string position, and we're looking for the class name, and then for the name Swift, which is basically the class, any of the files associated with the Swift class. If at the beginning of the class name we find Swift, then what we need to do is we're going to use the and symbol to avoid any errors. Require once we're going to be going for classes underscore path.ds directory separator, then Swift, and we have version 4.2.1, then again directory separator, classes folder, and directory separator, and the name of our class. So that's for Swift classes. Then else we will simply, if I copy this entire line, require once classes path this time, and going directly to the class name. So that's our autoloader and load class. Let me just quickly check if I haven't made any syntax errors. All seem to be fine, so we can move to the next video.